Hi, my name is Justin, and today I'm going to be breaking down the 5 best features about the Zhiyun Crane 2 gimbal. This thing feels strong and it looks strong, and yeah, it is strong. It's basically all metal construction. I can't really find much plastic anywhere, so that's a good sign. Nothing's broken on me yet, and I have dropped this a time or two and it's held up just fine. This thing was built to last. Low mode is easy to get into, and I mean it's so easy, even a baby could do this. Low mode, upright, it's easy. Depending on which mode you're in, you can actually push these arms to wherever you want them to be. So for example, in lock mode, I can just twist this up and it'll stay there, or twist it down, or spin this way instead of having to wait for the little joystick here to make it go wherever I want it to go. I can just instantly pull it around and just stay there. In addition to that, if you ever get the gimbal messed up, like if you got it somehow, you hit the joystick and it's not level anymore, it's like crooked, you can hit the mode button 4 times and it'll instantly go back to its default position. The desktop app is really nice and easy to use. You can dial in all your settings exactly how you like them and it'll save it on the gimbal forever. It's not like the app where it's only going to save the settings while you have the app connected. So I shoot weddings and I want a lot of slow movements. I don't want anything too fast. The default setting when you get this gimbal for like the panning is super fast, like probably 3 or 4 times as fast. So I was able to dial in so it goes this slow and the tilt is really slow. Things like that you can dial in the desktop app. I just love it. The battery life on the Zhiyun Crane 2 is the best. I don't know of any other gimbal that has better battery life than this thing. I know it's better than the Ronin gimbals and lots of other more cheap gimbals. The battery life, I think Zhiyun claims about 18 hours or something. It's pretty ridiculous. But for me, like, I don't even keep track because I can shoot a whole wedding and it's still, well, I just shot a wedding the other day and as you can see, we still got 2 bars out of 4. So we still have half battery. I could shoot another wedding and be just fine. The battery life you don't have to worry about at all. And that's just one nice thing because when you're shooting with something like this at a wedding or some event, the last thing you want to worry about is, I gotta charge the batteries, we gotta put new batteries in. That's the last thing you want to do. You want to focus on creativity and what you're shooting and all that. You don't want to focus on, I'm gonna run out of batteries soon. That's the best thing probably like about this gimbal, because it's something I don't ever have to worry about. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and if you didn't like this video, hit the thumbs down button twice. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know.